Hey everybody, Noah here from Learn Meta Analysis, and I want to tell you guys real quick about this super huge UI update on Simple Meta Analysis software. So if you saw it before, it was, I'll say, not that modern. That's the description that I'm going with, and I spent a good amount of time completely redesigning it, trying to get the interface a little more what you might be used to in current software packages. So I'm just going to walk you through one quick meta-analysis just so you can see what it looks like, and I appreciate any feedback you guys have on the interface itself. So we're just gonna, I think we'll do a 3-level analysis, and we'll start here. Going to upload our data set, and we're going to run it. So as you can see, we now have a separate area for our results as well as method notes, and then we have our R script that will replicate what we just did in R itself. And we have the same general setup for each one of these things. We'll just run through it so you can see how fast it is and the general structure. And so this is running on the web right now, and as you can see, it's very responsive, which I've been really happy about. I've been really happy with shinyapps.io so far. They have done great with hosting this app. So you can see we've separated out the outliers from the influence and just generally updated the look and feel of all of this. And then for the sake of time right now, because this doesn't need to be a crazy long video, I will just show you two more things, which is the multiple meta regression, because I don't think this feature was in there last time that I showed you guys this software. So we're just going to pick a couple variables here for continuous. I know I have one named that. And then over here, we're going to go with control group, and we'll go with voice type. Run that analysis, and we get our wonderful results, which of course we can download. And we have some methods notes and our R scripts to replicate it. And last but not least, we're going to go to our publication bias tests, and we will run that. So we're going to check our data prep. I'm just going to trust that this is good because I've used this data set about 1,000 times, so I know it's going to be good. So we get our forest plots first in this first box. Then we move on to our funnel plots, and the R script for this is actually very long using this code, so you can get it off GitHub instead of it being generated here. But yeah, so overall, I hope that you find this to be much more, I'll say, modern looking than the old version used to be. If you have any feedback on it, please let me know in the comments. If there's any features you'd like to see built into this, please just let me know. Thanks guys, I appreciate your support, and I hope you like the software. Have a great week.